Hey guys, welcome to our channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how to hide share numbers on Instagram Reels. First, open your Instagram application, then tap on your profile icon in the bottom right corner. Now from here you just need to go to this grid line icon, and in this section you will find all the reels with that reels icon at the top right corner. So you have to choose that reels that you want to turn off, or you want to hide the share numbers for. So you just need to hold that like this, the reels like this, and you can just tap on it, and from here you will find this three dot button here at the top right corner. Now from here you'll find a pop-up section where you will find the hide share count. So if you want to hide the share numbers on these specific reels, then you can tap on this hide share count, and it will just hide the share number on your Instagram reels. Hope you got this. If so, then give us a thumbs up, leave a comment below, and thanks for watching. Till next time.